In this video, I want to be solving a Rubik's cube. Now, I'm the cube who can't solve a Rubik's cube, but I learned how to solve a Rubik's cube, and I'm gonna show you guys how to solve a Rubik's cube. So first, it looks solved, right? Because before the video, I did solve the cube. So then now I'm gonna mix it real quick. Mix it up. Now I'm just doing a random scramble. I'm not getting it online. Oops, wait. Okay, now the cube's mixed up. And now I'm gonna try to solve it. Crap. My Rubik's cube broke. It's okay, I can fix it. Okay, now I'm going to continue. Because the reason is, I loosen my cube so much that it breaks normally. It breaks very frequently. That's why. Okay, now look. Solved it, yay! So now, once I upload this video, I'm gonna change my title to the kid cuber who can solve a Rubik's cube. Bye guys.